Do you remember that touching scene from Kotaro leaves the land?
お待たせである。
Let's recreate that dish together.
I will use the same vegetables that Kotaro used. The first one is ear mushroom. Carrots. You might think she cut it too thick. Don't worry, I can fix it later. Onion, bell pepper, bean sprouts, and cabbage. On high heat, add a little bit of oil and fry garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add pork belly. This is the reason why I don't use much oil. As you can see, there are a lot of oil from pork belly. Time for onion. And bell pepper. And then add carrot. The order of vegetables is based on how long they need to be cooked. Ear mushrooms. You can substitute with other vegetables, but this is my favorite. Cabbage. Bean sprouts. Season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and salt to taste. Stir fry until you got the texture that you like. I love it to be quite soft. That ear mushroom looks like a lot, isn't it?